Hey guys, what is up? I am back with our zombie mapping videos. Now, I just finished up the series on how to make a zombie map from start to finish, so my next videos will be just on some custom stuff you can do. So the first thing I want to do is show you how to edit gun files. So what we're going to do for this is minimize your launcher, go into your files, go to local disk C, program files times A6, Activision, Call of Duty World at War, and you'll want to go to raw, and we will go to weapons, single player, and here are all of our weapon files. So what I want to do is I'm going to edit the Colt that we started with. I'm going to click on this, I'm going to go copy, back, all the way to your Call of Duty World at War folder, go to your mods, click on your map name, go to weapons, single player, and if that file isn't already there, just create it. Then we're going to paste this. Continue. Okay, now for me, I have to adjust the security settings, otherwise it won't let me save on this file for some reason. So in this case, I have to go to users, full control, apply, okay. Sweet, now I can open this file up. So now that this is open, I'm going to go to Notepad, and here is our gun file. It looks like a bunch of random stuff, and it kind of is if you don't know what you're doing. So I'm going to switch the name a little bit. Soul, instead of Colt M1911, we'll call it the Colt. I'll call it the Colt M19 2000. Okay, so now we got the weapon name changed. MK19. Okay, I guess that K works. It's actually a typo, but oh well, I'll keep it. And I'm gonna hit Control F. I'm gonna go to clip size. Instead of 8, we'll change it to 16, 24. We'll go to 32. And that's obviously how big your clip is going to be. Our ammo, we'll say our max ammo, age 320. Let's say 320 rounds. Your start ammo would be, let's see, 160 rounds. Okay, and you'll see why I'm doing this in just a second. So we'll hit Control F, we'll go fire type. Cannot find, so that means it's gotta be up. Right there. And it says full auto. It's kind of weird, because it's not full auto, but I want it to be full auto. Okay, usually they'll say semi-automatic or something like this right here, but this one already says full auto, so we'll just have to check that out. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit save. And so now, when you look at this, when you go into your map, it will replace the original weapon file with this one, so those changes we made will be in there. And to make sure this is working, we'll go back to here, so Call of Duty World at War, raw, weapons, single player, we're gonna do the M1 Garand. So we'll just find that here quick. M1 Garand, beautiful. So we'll go copy, go back to our mods, our map name, weapons, single player, right click, paste, continue. Now I gotta do that same thing again, so properties, security, user, users, edit, HP users, apply, okay. So now we'll open this up with Notepad. And this is called the M1 Grand, so we'll switch it to the M2000 Mega Grand. Yeah, we'll call it that. That sounds kind of cool. And we'll go to Control F, fire type, single shot. Now, I'm gonna switch that to 3 round. 3 numbers. Hang on one second. I actually have a weapon editor file thing here that you can download, but I'm assuming you guys don't have it, so I'm just gonna show you how to manually do it. I just gotta double check something here quick. Let's wait for that to load up. Pretty sure that's all I type in, but okay, it's called V directory. And you don't really have to worry about this. I guess this part's only helpful if you actually have this tool. And this tool is available on zombiemodding.com. You just gotta look around for it. Okay, and I'd select my map name, select M1 Grand. Okay, so clip type, fire type, 3 round burst. These are all different fire types you can do too. Okay, so there is a hyphen there. Okay, that's wonderful. So 3 round burst. Actually, we'll stick with 3 round burst. Okay, Control F, and we'll type in clip size, enter, 8, let's switch that to 3, 6. 15. And we'll switch that to that. Our start ammo will be max ammo will be 180. Our start ammo will be 90. There we go. File, save. So now that's edited. And then I also we'll do one more just for kicks. So we'll go to weapons, raw weapons, single player. Actually, we'll do 2 more because I saw another one I want to do. M1 carbine, copy. Go to our mods folder, your map name, weapons, single player, copy, right click, paste, continue. Now I'm gonna have to do the security thing again. Now hopefully you guys won't have to do the security thing. It's kind of annoying, but what can you do, right? Okay, so I'm going to Notepad, and we'll call this one the M2A1. The M2A1 carbine. And our fire type, Control F, and then we'll search fire type. We will go full auto. Then we will look up clip size. Oh, spelled size wrong. And that's 15. So let's think. We'll go with 20. And our starting ammo will be, yeah, we'll keep it that. Our max ammo will be 120. Our starting ammo will just be 60. No, we'll keep it 120. I'll save. Oh, and then there's one other thing I want to do. Let me think. I think it's fire time. Yeah, okay, so this is its rate of fire. I want to cut that down a little bit, so 135. We'll just do, let's say, 0.095. We'll do that. And we'll save that. So that is all good to go. Okay, so now that we got that done and out of the way, exile that weapon file. We'll go into our launcher, go into your mod builder, select your map that you're working on, and when you come in here, as you can see, we have a new slot right here. These are the weapons we just added, so just select that, build mod.ffs file, build IWD file, and build mod. And unfortunately, my screen recorder thing doesn't work very well with games, so I'm going to try and figure that out and hopefully be able to show you guys these guns in action. But otherwise, take my word for it, this does work as long as you followed my exact tutorial. If you listen to everything I said, did what I did, you should be just fine. And yes, you can do these to other weapons too. Alright, well, happy gun modding. See you around.